So Molly, what are you doing? Come here. You want to be on the television set? Do you? Can you sit? Very good. Can you lie down? Can you lie down? Can you lie down? You are so smart. What do you want for Christmas, Molly? Something? Something really good? Have you been good all year? Have you? Molly Malone been good? Would you like a little cookie? Would you? Where's the cookie? Is a cookie over here? What can you do for a cookie, Molly? You like cookies? Can you catch it? Try. Here it comes. Oh, off the tooth.